Alright, by the way, just wanted to mention real quick, I actually fixed the particle problems and the trigger problems. It's all back to normal. I'm working just as intended. Basically, yeah, the forward vector used for particles and for the light are different. So I'm going to show the code real quick. If we come over here, we have this function right here which got the orientation. I've now added an input unit vector which still don't normalize for, you know, speed reasons, but it's kind of stupid. I should actually just waste a few cycles to normalize the vector, but anyway. By default it's going to be 0, 0, minus 1, which is 1 used by the light. And in the case of, you know, particles, it's going to be a completely different vector. So this function is actually never called because I found that the get transform, since we're going to get stuff anyways, it's usually accompanied by taking the location, a rotation, quaternion, and the scale, or maybe taking this to another form like Euler or whatever, right? So it's faster to do it like that rather than having yet another function called that pointlessly extracts the exact same information that we already had. So usually we just get transform data rather than get orientation vector, but whatever. If we look for it, we can see that we use the default call because by default it's 0, 0, minus 1 for the light, and it works exactly as intended. But if we look for the rest of the calls, in the case of the particles, is 0, minus 1, 0, and that one is actually properly oriented and it works as intended. And if we look for the next call, it doesn't use the orientation, it just gets the position, rotation, scale. I don't know why I use the get transform data function in here. I should have probably done something else to prevent wasting the time doing this thing, but it doesn't matter. I think I did it because it actually has to use the orientation at some point, or maybe not. I don't remember. It doesn't matter. It's used as a dummy for now. So yeah, it's now fixed and it's pretty cool.